I have this div element which is hidden by default. When the user clicks on show, it is shown with a smooth animation. But when the user clicks on hide, it disappears without an animation, which is not nice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this div element disappears with a smooth animation like this. So let's get started. First, I'll go back to Visual Studio Code, and here you can see that this is the animation to show the element, and I specified that it should be triggered right here. This is the name of the animation, show 1 second, and this is the fill mode, which is forwards. And you can see that this div element has the property of display none. Through JavaScript, I specified that when the user clicks on this button, the div element will get a new class which is show. And in CSS, when the element has the class show, the display property will be display plot. So the element will appear on the screen. And when the element appears on the screen, this animation is triggered, which changes the height property from 0 pixel to 100 pixels. You can see the result right here, show from 0 to 100. So the show animation is going well. There is nothing wrong about it. But on the other hand, when the user clicks on this button, which is hide, you can see that in JavaScript, I have specified that the class show of the element will be removed. So the element will get its previous property, which is display none, and it's not going to have this display block property anymore. The thing we want to do is that when this show class is removed, we want to specify an animation. How to do that? This is what I'm going to show you right now. First, we will create the keyframe of the hide animation. So I will write keyframes, press tab, and I will name it hide. This is the hide animation. Right here, we will specify that in 0%. The height will be 100 pixel, and at the end on 100% the height will be 0. Now let's go back to the script of removing this element. This is the script. Here I will use the settimeout function from JavaScript. So I will write settimeout tab. The timeout will be 1 second, so I will type 1000 milliseconds right here, and now I will move this line to inside the function, and right before this function settimeout, I will call that animation of hiding the element from 100 pixels to 0 pixels. So right here I will say document.querySelector, and here I will write the ID of the element. I will copy it from here, .style.animation name, it will be hide. And now if I save and go back to the browser to see the result, you can see if I click on show, it gets shown, and when I click on hide, it is hidden with the smooth animation. But we have a problem, which is when we click on show after hiding the element, we get this weird animation and the element is hidden. This is because we have changed the animation of the element to hide. So when I click again on show, it invokes that animation hide. To solve this issue, I will remove the name of the animation from here. So I will write animation duration 1 second, animation fill mode forwards, and I will remove this line. And now from the JavaScript, I will specify that when the user clicks on show, before showing the element, it has to invoke the show keyframes. So again, set timeout 1000 milliseconds. I will move this line to here, and before that we will invoke the animation. So I will copy this line to there, and I will change the animation name to show. Now if I save and go back to the browser, you can see that when I click on show, the element will be shown, and when I click on hide, it will be hidden with a smooth animation. And when I click on show again, it will appear with an animation, as you can see. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have an idea for the next video, please type it in the comment section, and please make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.